Guys, welcome back to the one more tutorial. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is, let me show you guys. Suppose if the price of a product increases or decreases, and suppose if the product is unavailable in the store, what we can do is we can just delete the product, or we can change the value of it, or we can apply the changes. If the prices go down, we can change the price. If it is increases, we can increase the price. And if you want to change description or anything, we can do it. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to maintain the products. So for that, what we can do is, now let us go to our admin home activity. So before that, we can go to admin home, and here what we can do is you can just create a button. So for this, the margin top will be 170. I hope so. It is so big. We can write it as 150. And now what we can do is we can create one more button, that is for maintaining the products. We can now maintain our products. So what we can do is admin maintain products. So for this, what we can do is, let us change the text to maintain products. So now it is good. And now what we can do is, after that we can bring it down the admin check orders, copy it and paste it here. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now we can set the on click listener here. We have one more button now, which is maintain product. Now what we can do is, here we can go to maintain products dot set on click listener. Now we can set on click listener, and here we can just send them to, we need to send the user from here to the home entity. Let me show you guys. Yeah, from here, for changing everything, we need to send the user to home activity, which is users home activity, so we can see all the products there. So for that, what we can do is intent I equal to new intent of, this is admin home activity dot this to, we need to send it to home activity dot class. So from here, what we can do is we need to put something extra, which is we are going to add a string value called as admin, because we are logging in as admin, not as user. So we need to change it to admin and admin, and now we can start our activity. So now from here it will go there. So now right now this activity is over. Now let us go to our home activity, which is here, activity home, and this is our home activity. So right now what you can do is, so come down. So first we need to get the value, that is we need to get the intent, private string. We can differentiate it as person, that is whether the person is admin or the user. We can get it here. So before getting, what we need to do is, so let me show you. First, intent I equal to intent equal to, we need to get the intent. After that, we need to create a function called bundle. No, it is bundle, and we can name it as bundle equal to intent dot get extras. And what we are going to do is, if bundle is not equal to null, that is if you have some intents, what we can do is, here we need to get the person equal to get intent dot get string extra, Here we need to pass that value, which is admin. So it is here, and from we are sending it from admin home activity. Yeah. Make sure these both spelling are correct. The spelling and the spelling should be correct. That is, both should be same. That is what we are doing here is if there is any bundle available, we can get that bundle. If not, it will produce null pointer exception. That's why we are doing like this. So next what we can do is come down, and from here what we can do is when the item is clicked, what we can do is we can differentiate between the uh, user and admin. So if what we can do is if the person dot equals if it is equal to admin, that is this one. Let me show you, which is the main. It is from admin home activity. This is this value. Now this value, if it is equal to admin, what we want to do is, and if else, if it is not equal to admin, what we want to do is, if it is not equal to admin, then it should be user. So we can cut it and we can send it to, so the user can go to product details activity. Suppose if it is an admin, what we can do is, so if it is admin, so if it is admin, what you can do is you can create one more intent, which is, so we can copy it and we can paste it. Now we can create one more class, which is, we can create one more class named as admin maintain products. That is, the admin can maintain products. Admin maintain products activity. So we can create this activity right now. That is, from the home activity, it will go to admin maintain products activity, where we can apply the changes to the current product or we can delete those products. Only the admin can do it, not the buyer. So we can create now new class, new activity. We can create a new activity right now. So we can create this activity right now, and it's being built. So the error will be resolved. So here we need to design it and we need to make the function of it. Yeah, everything is fine. Now we can come here and we need to import this class. We can import it right now, and yeah, it's imported, and we don't need this right now. And here, for instead of this layout, we can create a card view, which is this one. Copy this card view and we can paste it right here. We can paste it right here, and yeah, here what we can do is, and we have layout margin and elevation, so we can do that also. We can create the margin for it. Margin is 10 dp is perfect, and the elevation is 15 dp is perfect. Yeah, now it's good card view, and here it's showing some error. We need to import this R class, import it, and after importing, what we can do is we can just copy this entire layout. That is from here to here. We can just copy it, and here we can just paste it right now. Paste it right here, so we can see it right now, and it should not match parent. The height is wrap content, and for product items layout also it should be wrap content, I hope so. Yeah, here it is wrap content, so no need here. So both are same. Now it is now good. Now what we want to do is we need to bring this text to down, and where it is, yeah, we can just copy it because it is linear layout, so we no need to worry about it. So we can paste it right here. Yeah, name is here. Now everything is fine. So after that, what we need to do is first the image name description. We can change everything whatever we want, and what you can do else is I think what you can do is you can create a card view. Yeah, copy it, and we can paste it right here. We should define the height. Layout height should be match parent, and width also match parent. And now what else you can do is for instead of this card view, we can create it as scroll view. And this linear layout can be copied. No, we can cut it and we can paste it inside here. Now everything is fine. That is, we can scroll it if it goes beyond this screen. Otherwise, we can't able to scroll it. So we have done like this. So now what we can do is, for instead of edit text view, we need to write it as edit text, and the padding. Now the text is, it's not text, it is hint. Hint is name, and the hint color. Hint color should be primary dark, and yeah, hint should be primary dark. And now what else we want to do is we need to do the same for everything. First, you can change it to edit text and hint, and then we need to set the hint color. Hint color should be color primary dark. And now one more is edit text, and it should be hint is here, hint, and I think here we need to do it. Edit text, it is hint, and the color should be color primary dark. And then what else we have is we have hint, edit text, and then what else we have is color of the hint. It is not this much. Color hint should be color primary dark. Do the same for everything. And it is edit text. And now what else we want to do is see it is went beyond the screen, so we need to do it as scroll view. If the scroll view is not present, it won't we can't able to see beyond the screen. That is, we can't able to scroll it down. So it is hint. Yeah, now everything is fine, I hope so. And now we need to change the ID for everything because the IDs are different. Here we can just user, we can just add the maintain the word user maintain product image, and here what it do is user maintain user maintain product name, and here also we can add the word maintain to it. And now here also you can add the maintain, and now what else you can do is here also you can add the maintain, and here also we can add the maintain, and here too. Yeah, that's it guys. We have one name and 6 edit text. Yeah, everything is fine. Now we need to add a button for apply changes. We need to add a button. Add a button. It should be matched from content. Yeah, it is behind this, below this, and we can just keep the background of this. Buttons. For button, it should be buttons. Yeah. And now what we can do is, now for buttons, we need to write a text. Apply changes. And now what else we need to do is text size. Size should be 20 sp, and then at the color of it should be white, and it should not be all caps. All caps is false. It is false. Yeah, it is okay. Now we can add the margin of it. Margin is 20 dp. Yeah, we have margin as 20 dp. And then what else we need to do is, yeah, now it's okay, it's looking perfect. We need to give the ID for the button. It should be apply changes button. This is way better. We have apply changes button right now, and what we can do is we can close it, and I think this is perfect. We have already text and everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. Now what we can do is we can initialize it in the main activity. So we have private button, we have apply changes, we have apply changes button, and we have some edit text. What edit text we have is, we have name, description, we have name, description, weight, price, and what else do we have? Usage, duration, and we have an image view. We have image view as, we can name it as image view. And what else we can do is, yeah, we need to initialize it right now. For that, what you can do is, and name equal to fine view by id or dot id dot maintain will be good. Maintain product name. Yeah, maintain product name. Now we can copy paste it for 7 more times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, we have 7 and 8. We have 8 things. We have description. We have user maintain product description. We have user maintain product duration. User maintain product image, price, user maintain product usage, user maintain product weight, and we have user maintain product image. We have an image, and what else do we have is, we have a button also, apply changes button, and here we need to give it as apply changes button. Here it is weight, and here it is usage, here it is price, here it is duration. Yeah, everything is fine right now. So what we have did is, we have just designed this maintain product activity. So let us check it right now. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.